Bob said to hurry up and come out and see his plane. He said it was burning. I guess it is burning. Damn! That is one hot fun cub. Jeez.
See, I don't know what happened. I lost control.
We kind of left Doug behind. Look at that. There goes the balloon, the lantern.
That's fire, all right. That's not a little one.
Oh, man. Hey, Bob.
Yeah.
Can I have your canopy?
Yeah.
Watch it burn. That's the end of Bob's fun cub.
Oh, no. Over here.
I'd say something electrical shorted out. Maybe the ESC went out. I've had that happen.
It went like this, and when it was, I could just barely see it, and I thought it looked like smoke coming out of it.
Wow.
I thought you meant like a little fire, like the battery was. No.
There goes the lantern up there.
It was more than what I could handle.
Hey Bob, they do burn good though.
I don't think you're going to save it.
Can he remold it?
I don't think so. You want to save that servo?
Hey.
Yeah, that servo would be savable.
If we can get to it.
Just reach down there and pick it up.
That carbon rod's in there.
I don't have a pocket knife on me
I
either.
don't think you're going to get it out there.
Hell, I just throw it back in the fire.
Throw it in the fire.
Hey, it's only at $1.30.
Yeah.
Wow. That's the best fire we've had in a long time.
Yeah. Boy, in a few
You
seconds.
didn't want that canopy, did you?
No.
Nah, too
Just
late
teasing,
now.
but I'm sure somebody would have told
Oh.
me. There's times they lose canopies around here.
Yeah, Bob. There it is. Should I reach in there and grab that canopy? I might need one someday. I've already lost one. Yeah, probably won't fit now.
I know which black spot it is. That looks like the outline of a guy's body, doesn't it? Like yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Look at
I don't
that.
know.
Still
I'm
up there.
afraid that battery might be shot too. The cells are all shifted.
Hey, Bob. That's what I was doing when you yelled to get the camera. That's what I was doing. I had to give it to Doug.
Wow. I still use one that was in the P-38 when it crashed. It mashed up one corner of it. It still works.
Doug's going to be pissed that you left that landing gear in the fire. Brand new landing gear he just built you.
I couldn't get it out, yeah.
Try to explain that to him. You gonna get some more plastic for the fire?
Well, them all happen now. I wonder if my insurance covers that.
AMA? You gonna call them?
Wow, it's still going.
Ow.
Doug, you should come out and look at this. You get out here and there's only a black spot.
Yeah, about as fast as he's moving, that'd be about right.
Don't you wonder what to Sam Hill happened though?